2018 Ford Mustang 5.0 GT. Still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then we took off the resonator, which was a dual in, dual out resonator, and put an X pipe in its place. And left the stock mufflers right there and right there. There's the X pipe setup. Came out really nice, really clean. Let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it.
Hey, my friend.
Yes, sir.
Can I get somebody to move the white leg?
2018 GT. That made a huge difference. One more. That's good enough. Go ahead and park it over here. Oh, those wheels look perfect on it too. Are they factory wheels?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's on the back.
Yeah.